Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on LG Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to grab your remote and right here open the slot, insert two batteries and then close it. After that we can connect our TV to the power source, and when it's on you will see something like this. It says to press OK on your button on your remote to proceed. So let's do that. Then we can pick the language for our TV. I'm gonna go with English. And then you can pick your country or region. And at some point during a setup, you will get the question if you want that audio guidance that you keep hearing. And in this case, I'm gonna turn it off. After that, we can perform a setup either by our mobile device, that means your smartphone. You will also need to download an app from LG. But in this case, I'm gonna go with TV setup. You can also select the store mode right here if you want, but we just want to set it up for our home, so let's do that instead. And also, as you can see, your remote can work like a mouse on your PC or laptop, so you can use that if you like. I'm gonna go with the Wi-Fi next, so enter the password for your Wi-Fi. Now we're connected with the internet. We can accept our terms and conditions for using this TV with next. Then you'll be able to accept them all and agree. User environment analysis. It will be set up automatically after checking device connected to TV. After connecting device with TV and the HDMI cable, turn on the power. Let's just click on next. There are no paired devices. Let's skip that. Then we can select the way to watch TV on a set-top box only, TV and set-top box, or none. In this case, I'm gonna go with TV only. Service area postcode. We really need to do all that for basic setup on TV. Okay, so let's just enter it, I guess. TV installation type, that means on how you have your TV installed, either on a stand or wall mounted. I'm gonna go with the stand option. AI functions that we can enable or disable, like AI Picture Pro or AI Sound Pro. Let's just enable the picture because I don't like the sound. Always ready. When the TV is turned off, it switches to always ready to provide optimized wallpaper, voice recognition and mobile device music playback. If you use remote control order, then a magic remote wallpaper setting may not be supported. And we can enable or disable it right here if you want. If you want to save energy or power, just disable that and proceed. SW automatic updates, let's enable them and proceed. Of course you can disable them if you like. And then we can perform the program tuning either by antenna, cable, satellite. And keep in mind that you need to have one of them connected to proceed with that. In this case, let's go with antenna because I don't have anything connected, but hopefully you will be able to just move through that process without it. Yeah. Let's skip that. And as I've mentioned, you can perform that tuning if you like. I'm just gonna end this right here as I want to this LG TV only for a smart TV. So LG account, when you sign in, you can enjoy recommended contents and various app services, and you can sign into your LG app using your smartphone. I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to do that in the future, so you can watch it if you like. We can skip all that. Recommended apps and services that you can already download, like Prime TV, Amazon Alexa, or YouTube. I don't want any of those apps, so let's click on done. And here it is, our setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.